Hello everyone, hope that you are doing well. My name is Anu. Before going to start this session, I would like to thank you to all of you for your support as so many likes are there for my virtual journey. Today we'll learn, keep supporting me, and today we'll learn about another web element like iframe. It's little bit different, but no worries. If you will practice on it from starting, it will easy for you and to understand next topics. Okay, so we'll start. So iframe is the collection of web elements on web page. If we want to combine web elements of same area, like if we open that redditmail.com, then there are all that share market that options are combined in one frame, and that is one of the iframe. So we can we can check on that check that iframe also. But in previous version, we should take that right click on that iframe, and we have to take the view page source for checking, for testing that web element. But nowadays we can work with iframe with the inspect element also. So we'll see that. So you can see I opened this reddit.com web page. Just you have to enter, just you have to first open browser, and you have to type here in URL box reddit.com. So this page will open, and see here this BSc, NSC, all that share market options are there in one frame. So this is the frame. So how do you inspect that element, or how do you check that web elements or locators? Just right click on it and inspect. So that is not that iframes area. Actually, see here, you can find also by control F. Iframe is there, id is there, id locators value is money frame, and names locator value is also money frame. If we didn't find, then you can search for with the control F, and you can find here iframe, so it will be highlighted. So we have to search for that web elements value. So just we have taken that just we have seen that iframe id value is money frame, and name locators value is also money frame. So it need to copy. I am copying this first. Now we are going to write the code. So see guys, first we need to know that when we are going to write the program for Selenium, so only one project have to create. In that project you have to create package. After that, the reference libraries, means these reference libraries are nothing but the Selenium jar files, and only one package will be there, and in that package you can create different classes for different programs. Many new students uh, made mistakes that they are creating different projects, and in that different projects they are separately creating different classes. So don't do that. You have to only create one project and one package, and in that one package you can create different classes. So for iframe I am creating new class. You can take relevant name like test iframe. Don't take any locators name or technical name. First letter of class should be capital. Now see guys, if we want to open any web page, then same method is there. First we have to open that browser. with the system dot get property, and then we have to enter that web page URL in the driver dot get method. Very first that thing we have to create the instance of WebDriver. It need to be import. Just over the mouse. It is imported. Then second one thing we have to create the method, and then through the class object we have to call that method. This is concept of core Java. So we have to first create method. I'm taking relevant name. You can take any name. Testing frame. Take here opening closing bracket. Okay. Now what are the first things? What are the starting that options or coding lines when we are going to create any code in Selenium? We have to open first browser with the system.get property. So I have already done this program. I have shown you also how to open that browser and that web page. So I'm just copying these lines because it is little bit time consuming. So see here with the system.get property webdriver dot chrome driver, this is the code to open your browser. Then chrome options and co dot add arguments, this is the code for handling your browser. If there is some changes in browser or browser versions, then it can handle easily with the chrome options. Now chrome driver is another class to open that our it supports browser, and after opening that browser it maximize, and with the driver.get property this is the code to open rediff.com. Now just we have seen that that iframe is a, if we want to open iframe then switch to method is there. We have to take the switch to method. So code is that driver dot switch to dot iframe. Switch to dot frame, and whatever the name of that frame we should take here. So we have copied that name. I am showing again. So name locators value and id locators value is same. So I am taking this. Money iframe. This to have to be import. Just over the mouse. Sorry. Okay, it is method. Now in frame there is one text box, so you have to enter that value in the text box, any text box, for just testing. So driver dot, sorry, driver dot. Now how do you find element? Find web element with find element method. So take this one. I am taking id locator, so by dot id. We need to inspect that element also, and then if we want to enter in that text box some text, then what will the method? Send keys. If we want to enter any text in the text box, then method will be send keys. Suppose I am taking ITC. I want to enter this text. Now by is also a class, so you need to import that class also. Okay, we need to inspect this element. So I am opening this redditmail.com. See here, this is the text box. Just click on it, inspect. It highlights that properties. So name is query for the text box. Names locator value is query and id locator's value is also query. So we need to copy this value and enter here. Spelling is wrong. Now the last part is, see here, we have created method. So what will how it is working? First we have opened the browser, then we have opened that page redditmail.com, and then we have to if we want to work with frame, then switch to method is there. We have taken this switch to method having name is money iframe. Then in that frame there is one text box, sorry, search box. So if we want to search any that text, then just that by that id we have tested here. First that text box, find their text box, query text box, and then we have to enter that text in the text box. Okay, so this is method for testing iframe. Now we have to call this method. So how do you call? Calling any method is a simple core Java concept. Is first we have to take the class name, create object, and through that object we can call the method. If object is obj x equal to new, its constructor. Now through that objx we have to call that method. What is the method? Testing frame. Okay, first we need to take the main. In only main we can call the method. Okay, so don't do that mistakes like that. Okay, I will take this one. Main method, I have taken main method, and in that main method I have created first object, and through that object I am calling this testng frm method, so that whatever the task we have done in that method, it will execute it. I am running this program. It will take little bit time. So guys, hope that you understood this new web element and its whatever the theory and code. So do practice regularly on different websites with different web elements. Now open this browser. First it will open browser, then rediff.com, and it will test that money frame, and it will enter that text ITC in the text box. So it will first it is open that Chrome, maximize window, rediffmail.com, then open that iframe, and it will enter here ICT, whatever the text we are entering. Hope that you understood. Keep on watching and do practice on it. It will take time. Okay, it opened page, but just here it will enter as RTC. Okay, it is taking time, so we'll stop here. Hope that you understood. Okay, see you in the next day.